Okay. I have no sense of fashion or anything. Oh, que frío. Que frío, que frío, que frío. My hair is always a mess every time I start filming. What's going on right now? I gotta go to the store. I gotta get stuff. Hold on, we gotta walk into this creepy. Now, it's actually way more creepier at nighttime walking through here because it's really, really dark back here. Today it's like 2 in the afternoon and everybody just finished getting up. Like my sister finally woke up and stuff like that. Garbage. So yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. I actually like that, huh? Look at that. So guys, and now it's time for me to go to the store and get some stuff and come back and play some Call of Duty Ghosts.
Dicen que se gana la loto y que para, que tiene la familia, los amigos, se va del barrio, cambia todo.
Ay, no, mi amor, somos 7 hermanos, cada uno le da 1 millón y ya, y se lo gastaron en broma.
Empezaste mal, te dando mucho cuarto.
Más lento.
I swear, when I get older, I totally want a couch like that, but bigger. Like, I want a really big L couch. We're at IKEA right now. I'm just looking at some stuff. But I really want, like this is freaking amazing. I like this type of stuff. But an L couch would be awesome with an ottoman. Yes, I'm gonna keep looking around. In a perfect world, I would totally have an office like that. Look at that. That is amazing. Like, really, I would have an office to do videos and all that stuff just like that. That would be awesome. Fall in love with this stuff. Oh. I think somebody killed my dog. Good God.
It's time to get around traffic.
Say hello to the traffic. Now say goodbye to the traffic. Ooh, it's friggin' cold. I think living la vida loca. So this weekend has been the weekend of remodel the house, sort of make everything look kind of and sort of organized. So they just got a closet for Bella. I got the entertainment system yesterday to fix up the house so it looks nice and clean. We're working little by little. That's all it's been this weekend. I'm really bored. I'm gonna play some Minecraft when I get home. So that it's a lot of traffic out there today. You okay, baby?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Wow! This is what I do spending my Monday nights.
And tonight,
And that. It's a closet. Yeah. Oh man, it's really cold outside. I should have my jacket closed, but I'm not. Gotta go run a few more errands. Go to like ShopRite and stuff like that and get some stuff for tomorrow. But okay. But yeah, so today's been a pretty chill day. IKEA, got the closet, did all that stuff. Built it all up little by little. My house is looking very clean and neat. We're working on getting a house so I can have my own apartment in the basement. But that's a different story. I want to work on doing a skit. The next couple of days, I gotta talk to Jasmine, see if she's available to film it. That's if I even want to film it. It's whatever. But yeah, I want to do something. I want to do like a little parody of my life type thing. It's based actually off of another video that S&P Films did. Hold on. That S&P Films did a couple years back, and I want to kind of do my own style of it. But so yeah, alright. What I needed. I could jump in my dad's car. So I'm all cut up on vlogs. Everything is fixed and everything looks nice and clean. Pretty good weekend. It's Monday. Just finished Raw. It's like 11, 12 at night. I'm gonna start importing the footage from today and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow I gotta do the bane of my existence, which is laundry, and I'll be done with it. So I'll see you guys later. It was been fun, and a good night. This is what my late nights consist of. It's like 1 in the morning. Yeah, I'm bored. Time to go to sleep. Good night.